Did you know that pet hair is one of the most common household allergens? It's true. If you share your home with a furry friend, chances are you've found pet hair in every nook and cranny. From your clothes to your furniture, pet hair seems to have a knack for getting everywhere. While we adore our pets, dealing with their shedding can be a constant battle. But don't worry, there are solutions out there. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to combat pet hair effectively. Together, we can create a cleaner and more comfortable living space for both you and your beloved pet. Let's get started on this journey to a fur-free home. Pet hair can be more than just an unsightly nuisance. For many, it poses real challenges. Allergies are a major concern, often triggering sneezing, itchy eyes, and even skin irritations. Keeping a clean home can feel like an uphill battle when fur accumulates faster than you can remove it. And let's be honest, a layer of pet hair doesn't exactly scream spotless to guests. We understand the frustration. Vacuuming endlessly, only to find fur clinging stubbornly to your furniture can be disheartening. But don't despair. There are effective ways to tackle pet hair, from simple DIY tricks to innovative products designed to make your life easier. Stay tuned as we explore the best solutions to keep your home fur-free and fresh. Before you rush out to buy expensive gadgets, let's explore some simple, budget-friendly solutions lurking in your home. You'd be surprised at how many everyday items can double as effective cleaning tools, saving you both time and money. One surprisingly effective method is using slightly dampened rubber gloves. These gloves are not just for protecting your hands from harsh chemicals, they can also be a powerful tool in your cleaning arsenal. The rubber creates static that attracts and lifts pet hair from surfaces like upholstery and clothing. This static charge is what makes the pet hair cling to the glove, making it easier to gather and dispose of. Simply run the glove over the furry area and watch in amazement as the hair clumps together for easy removal. This method is particularly useful for those hard-to-reach areas and tight corners where pet hair tends to accumulate. Another handy tool is the humble lint roller. While it's commonly used for clothing, its versatility extends to furniture, car seats, and even your pet's bedding. Keep one in your car, purse, and by the front door for quick touch-ups. This way you're always prepared to tackle pet hair, no matter where you are. For a deeper clean on carpets and rugs, a stiff bristled broom can work wonders. The bristles are designed to reach deep into the carpet fibers, pulling out embedded pet hair that vacuums might miss. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly implementing these simple tricks can significantly reduce the overall amount of pet hair in your home. By making these methods a part of your routine, you'll find that maintaining a clean, pet hair-free environment becomes much easier and more manageable. So, next time you're faced with a furry mess, reach for these tried and true tricks and enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable living space. Section 4. Store-bought solutions. Your arsenal against fur. If you're looking for more heavy-duty solutions, fear not. The market is brimming with products designed specifically for pet hair removal. Vacuum cleaners with specialized pet hair attachments can be a game-changer, effectively sucking up fur from carpets, rugs, and even upholstery. For a more portable option, consider a handheld vacuum cleaner with powerful suction. These are perfect for quick cleanups on furniture, stairs, and even inside your car. Don't forget about specialized laundry products designed to loosen and remove pet hair from your clothes and bedding. These can prevent fur from clinging to your laundry and ending up back in your home. Section 5. The standout star. Unveiling the fur wizard. In the world of pet hair removal, there are countless tools and gadgets that promise to make your life easier. But today, we're focusing on one that truly stands out from the crowd. While all these methods have their merits, there's one product that stands head and shoulders above the rest: the Fur Wizard. This tool has revolutionized the way pet owners deal with the never-ending battle against pet hair. This innovative tool resembles a squeegee but is specifically designed to remove pet hair with ease. Unlike traditional lint rollers or sticky tapes, the Fur Wizard offers a more sustainable and efficient solution. Its unique rubber blade creates static, attracting and trapping fur as you swipe it across surfaces. This static charge ensures that even the most stubborn hairs are lifted away effortlessly, leaving your surfaces spotless. The Fur Wizard works wonders on everything from furniture and carpets to clothing and car interiors. Whether you're dealing with a shedding dog or a fluffy cat, this tool is versatile enough to handle it all. It's reusable, requires no batteries or power source, and is incredibly easy to clean. This means you can use it over and over again without worrying about running out of sticky sheets or needing to replace batteries. Simply rinse it under running water, and it's ready to tackle the next furry mess. The ease of maintenance makes it a convenient choice for busy pet owners who need a quick and effective solution. For its effectiveness, affordability, and ease of use, the Fur Wizard earns its place as a must-have for any pet owner. It's not just a tool, it's a game-changer in the realm of pet care. With the Fur Wizard, you can enjoy a cleaner, fur-free home without the hassle. So, if you're tired of constantly battling pet hair, give the Fur Wizard a try and see the difference for yourself. Your home, your clothes, and your car will thank you. Section 6. Winning the War on Fur. Key takeaways. Remember, the key to managing pet hair lies in consistency. Incorporate quick cleanups into your daily routine, whether it's using a lint roller on your clothes before heading out, or giving your furniture a quick once-over with a damp rubber glove. Invest in quality tools that make the task easier, such as a pet hair vacuum cleaner or a Fur Wizard. And don't be afraid to experiment with different methods to find what works best for you and your home. Section 7. A Fur-Free Haven, your guide to a cleaner, healthier home. While we can't completely eliminate shedding, we can strive to create a living environment that's both comfortable and healthy. Pets bring joy, companionship, and a sense of warmth to our homes. But they also bring along their fur. This fur can accumulate quickly, leading to a home that feels less clean and more cluttered. However, with a few proactive steps, you can manage pet hair effectively. Regularly removing pet hair not only improves the aesthetics of your home, but also minimizes allergens, making it a safer and more pleasant space for everyone, especially those with allergies. Allergens from pet hair can cause sneezing, itchy eyes, and other discomforts. By keeping your home fur-free, you ensure that everyone, including guests, can enjoy a comfortable environment. Remember, a fur-free home isn't about banishing our furry friends. It's about creating a space where both pets and their humans can thrive. It's about balance and harmony. Pets are part of the family, and their well-being is just as important as ours. By maintaining a clean home, we also ensure that our pets are living in a healthy environment. By adopting these simple strategies and utilizing effective tools, you can win the war on pet hair and enjoy a cleaner, healthier, and happier home for you and your beloved companion. Invest in high-quality vacuums designed for pet hair, use lint rollers and pet hair removers regularly, and don't forget to groom your pets frequently. These small steps can make a big difference. A clean home is a happy home, and with a little effort, you can ensure that your living space remains a sanctuary for both you and your furry friends.